hear him over here, can't you? Pretty cool. Hear the cars, bro? That's sick.
We're gonna walk up there.
Yeah, we walked down there.
How long is it to get there, man?
5 minutes.
Oh.
Fucking won't take long at all. Just around the corner. Yeah, the race doesn't start until another hour or two. And then the main one starts at 7:30. So we're early. Just enjoy it, eh? Maybe they'll have like barbecue and sausages and stuff. Have barbie.
Yeah, you're right, man. Yeah,
We'll just enjoy it. Take it easy and relax. Super good. What up? Out here, Sydney Murder Park. Western Sydney. Out here in Western Sydney. Cheers.
Like it's like you look at the racing cars, and you listen to the music, and you're saying, "Oh man, both go together, man. Both the cars and the music. It's like almost like the cars is going at the same rhythm that the music is going to, and they're both traveling at the same speed, right? You know, so that's the thing, man. So the music and the cars, they travel at the same speed, man.
Yeah.
You know, that's the thing, man. Yeah. So it's like you see the cars, you know, they go around. You hear the music, and the music is full of pumping, man. Like. You know, there we go, the lasers and all the lightning, everything.
And as you go left forward a bit of air here, which then putting it into the other side car. Then for some reason, you can see in the back of the left here, Adrian Black hit the back of Andrew Zurus, and then you get another go. Yeah, and Adrian Black, I think, was just caught up in that instantly as well. All with Clay Osborne. Number 15 for McElroy Racing. So there's Zurus and Black. Goes up the inside to Clay a long way off the road. And it's all going to unfold. A couple of cars further back behind Caleb Sydney. So lots of drama early to start the opening race of the Carrera Cup season. But it was Harry Jones who was saying his piece.
Five minutes later.
race, eh?
Yeah, I think it's here.
Yeah, we'll check it out now.
Yeah. Most likely I think it's that way.
Yeah, go through.
I think the big body's up there, man.
We'll do the whole lot. Go through it.
Yeah. Oh, the finish race.
I think this is the one, yeah. Hey. Hey, here we are, Sydney Motorsport Park, 2025. This is fucking sick. Got all night until 11 o'clock.
One of them.
Is that alright? So that was 1 and 2.
Yeah.
7:30 is the start of the new one. Gonna be sick, Marcia. You looking forward to it? I'm excited. I'm excited, Can't wait until 7:30. We'll see the race. We want to get a good position.
Yeah.
We'll be at the pit.
Yeah, we're going to be at the pit.
Yeah.
We'll put the
Yeah, we're gonna have live music. We'll be at the pit, so we'll have a really good view. Yeah, we'll have a top view. For sure.
there you go.
Nice. We just went through the tunnel. Hey. The Sky Electric sets.
No.
The like with the hand thing when the car races around the track. The toy. What was it called? Not Sky Electric, but the other one.
Oh, drone.
No, the little car matched cars and they go around the track. The game.
Go-karts.
No, the mini ones, the little cars you buy and you build your track at home. You build a track at home
I don't know.
and you make your own little cars.
I don't know what it is, Ed.
You know, like you go to a hobby shop and you buy a racing car set.
Oh, I don't know, I think it's...
You had race car set?
Oh, yeah, well, oh, yes, I did, yeah. Let me do it.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. Awesome.
Remember the tower, you know, that the
Oh, that Wonderland.
Yes.
Yeah, no drop.
Yeah.
At Wonderland. This place is unreal. so good. You got rides, everything. Let's go in the beer garden. Pit party entry. Ah, Marcio, pit party entry. Yeah, we'll go there later. See? Pit party entry. Yeah, we'll go there later. Go in the beer garden, have a look. And then good on. One here. It's a celebrity t-shirt. Maybe even a cap. You can get a cap. Get yourself a cap. 92 for a vest, 64 for a hoodie. Caps are $32. These are alright for your bar. Like if you've got a bar or something. So you put them on the top of your car, or even if you've got a bar, put it on your bar. Look, they got some army shit over here. Got some army stuff over there. What a race car. Chico would be able to get around Pizza Hut, wouldn't he? Red Bull. Pizza Hut, fucking Chico roll. Okay, there it goes. Let's see. Yes, sir. Pizza Hut. Here goes Pizza Hut. Chico roll. Here goes Chico. And middies. Good old middies. It is. So this is the leader here. Yeah? This car here. Number one, yeah? This one, coming down. This one. That's the leader.
Red Bull first, and then there's the second one.
I don't know.
It has to be a company too for fuel, you know?
These. Red Bull. So this one's the one. 1, 2, 3. Airport. Non-stop. Airport. Yeah. Yeah, that's the leaders there. Airport. Yeah. Those three.
Eventually.
This is exciting, isn't it? Exciting. Yeah. Into the pits. Plenty of fight. Yay! Woo!
TCR champion in 2019, runner-up in Dunlop Super 2, and he is
Now presenting the Sunset Brothers.
Yeah, that's it.